What's up guys, your boy BG here. So I'm here at a Target and looks like they put out a few Hot Wheels. So let's take a look. Let's see. Some of these are old. This one's pretty cool, the Batman Batmobile. P case, that's maybe. This one's new to market. It's the Aston Martin V12 Speedster. Nice. Ooh, nice. The Range Rover Classic. Love the tamper work on this one. Definitely gonna pick this one up. And here's a recolor Chevy Silverado Off-Road. Nice. Let's see. Here's this Ford Ranger Raptor. We have it. This is a carryover from last case, and this is the Water Bomber. This one's kind of cool. Let's see, what do we have over here? 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. Oh man, this one is sweet. Yes, check this out. This is the Muscle and Blown. It's a fantasy casting, but it looks really cool, so I'm definitely gonna pick that one up. Let's set it over here. And here's another Range Rover Classic. Pick that one up. Here's a Fire Eater. This one's kind of cool. Let's see what else do we have. Oh, this one's pretty cool, the Mod Rod. Nice. Yeah, guys, I'm definitely late to the party, but it's okay. It's not always about the supers. This one's pretty cool, the 87 Dodge D100 in orange. Take that one for sure. Cool, the Drop-O-Meter. Nice. Here's a Bone Shaker. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it for the Mainlines. Let me grab my little pile, put it in my little basket here. Alright, nothing new on the 5-packs. And look what we found, guys. Yes! Finally. I've been after these for quite some time. Nissan Skyline, it's the only one I was missing from the set, so nice. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Hopefully we could find another one, because I like to keep one carded and one open for my display case. I already have a couple of Supras. Nice. All right guys, so yes, I found another one. Awesome. Gonna take it. Like I said guys, I like to keep one open and one closed, so no, I'm not scalping. Check this one out guys, the Deadpool scooter. And this one's kind of cool. And here's a highway hauler. Check this one out guys, Combat Medic. Put these over here. Alright, let's see what else do we have. So check this out guys, this one's pretty new. This is the Aston Martin Valhalla concept from the No Time to Die 007 movie. Nice. Gonna pick that one up. Let's see. Flying Customs. Don't care for any of these. Let's see. We have the Team Transports here. Nice. Finally, man. Finally. Yes. Man, today's my lucky day. Today is my lucky day, guys. Been looking for that one for quite some time. All right, let's see. Mario Kart. So these are new, guys. Check this out. This is Scarlet Witch. Got Black Widow. Got Shang-Chi. Wonder Woman. You have Iron Man. This one's kind of cool. Captain America, Miss Marvel, The Vision, got Spider-Man, and we have another Miss Marvel. So let me put these back over here. I don't care for any of these, although this one's pretty cool, but I think I'm gonna pass. Look what we have over here, guys. 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage. Nice. This one's really cool. And I'm gonna take another one. Like I said, guys, I like to keep one open and one closed. So we have some Monster Jam color change monster trucks over here. Let's see. We got some micro machines over here, muscle machines. Let's see. Let's see over here. Alright guys, sorry about that. A guy came up to me and asked me questions, so I had to pause the video. So anyways, let's take a look at these Matchbox. I already picked these up, but I'm gonna show them to you again. This one is very cool. Picked that one up already. Here's a Mazda. Let's see, here's a garbage truck. Ooh, check this out, guys. Check this out. This one was stashed over there. I'm gonna take it. Nice. Let's see. See, guys, that's why it's good to look through the pegs. You never know. Sometimes you find some hidden stuff, so I always look through the pegs, guys. I always look through the pegs, otherwise you could be missing out on some cool stuff. No, this one I did not have. The Mercedes AMG GT. Nice. I'm gonna pick that one up. Let's see. And Matchbox has really been stepping up their game, guys. They have a lot of cool stuff. Check this out, guys. Tesla Roadster in a matte color. Definitely taking that one. Okay, looks like that's pretty much it for the Matchbox. Let me pick up this one car up really quickly. Alright guys, so let's move on over here. Nothing new on the Matchbox 5-packs either. Got some micro machines. Nothing new on the NASCAR. And check this out, guys. 2 of them. I don't know anything about these, but you know, they're probably very popular. They're probably chase pieces, and that's why somebody snatched them. Anyways, guys, please don't do that, man. You know, you guys really make us honest collectors look very, very bad when you guys do that. So if you can't afford this hobby or any other type of hobby, please do not get into it. So we have some more Tech Deck stuff. These 4-packs are new. They started hitting, or at least I've just started seeing them. And then they have the 2-packs as well. This is what I used to see a lot before, you know, a bunch of single packs. Now they have these as well. Again, guys, I don't know anything about them, but I'm pretty sure there's like a chase out there of some sort. So what do we have down here? Ooh, check this out. 1972 Pontiac Firebird. This one is really nice, man. Check out that detail, guys. Very cool. All right, let's see. Here we have the Justice League Batmobile and Batman figure. Nice. Here's another version of it. Here we have the 1980 Chevy H5 Blazer with a SpongeBob SquarePants decals. Pretty cool. And another Batman. Looks like they have 3 different versions. So they have that one. This one's from the animated series. I remember that. And then they have this one. This is from the movie. And then they have this one. Pretty cool. This one's actually pretty cool. Pretty cool. There's another SpongeBob over there. Johnny Lightning. Green like Kings of Crunch. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.